Hello everybody. Albanidis Konstantinos here, and to this video, I'm gonna show you Videoexpress AI. It's a new platform that it leverages AI, and it gives you the ability to create conversational, high quality videos, and uh, in fact, it gives you an online platform to edit any kind of video. But the focus to this platform, because you're gonna see it's the create with AI. You can create anything from prompt. You can create from image to video. You can create. You can add your image, and you can make it talk, sing, or anything you want. You can replace the background. You can do in painting inside your video. You can do out painting, and you can add special effects. You can remove an object inside your video. There is motion brush. At the moment, okay, we're gonna see that to other videos, because I just wanted to give you an idea of this amazing platform. To this video, I'm gonna show you what I just created. Let me show you here. I created a conversational video between a young and older lady giving a moral story. Okay, it's a landscape 16 to 9, because you can even make it 9 to 16 over here, and um, I have created this one. Let me show you. Okay, we have to move over here and show
Grace,
you.
I feel like I'm drowning at work. No matter how much I do, it's never enough. Everyone else seems so much more capable.
Mia, have you ever noticed how a river never drinks its own water?
What does that mean?
It means the river flows to nourish everything around it: plants, animals, people. It doesn't stop.
Okay, what I'm gonna show you now, it's how I can add subtitles to any video that I created with Videoexpress AI. Okay, uh, let me show you. First of all, I'm gonna close some of the programs. Okay, that's my phone explorer. It's a very nice and interesting software. Let's go here. We create automatic captions. If we click here, we're gonna move to this amazing platform that it's the vid subtitle. This platform, Video Express AI, it is connected to vid subtitles, and you get it as a package if you go on and order this amazing platform. Okay, I'm gonna show you what you can do here. If you go to home over here, you're gonna see, let me see, because I have to be connected. Let's try again, because maybe we are disconnected from the. Okay, we move to my project. Here it's another video that I created, and I'm going to home over here, and here I have the create. Okay, here to create I have the option to import from Videoexpress. If I click here, I can select the video that I just created and click submit. So I don't have to download the video from one platform and upload it to this one. Again, if you are using another software to create videos, you can again, use the feed subtitle and upload anything you want, and add your own subtitles. Here I have the video. You see how easy and fast it was to have my video here. Now that I am over here, I can play
Grace,
the video if I want. Okay, and now I can go to next over here, and I can select video audio source language. I'm gonna select English. I don't want to translate. Okay, I have two voices mode here because I have two people speaking. I'm gonna click next. Here I'm gonna leave it like 16 to 9 and click next. And over here I have to select what kind of subtitles I want to add to my video. I'm gonna add the subtitles. Let's see, I can add them. Okay, I'm gonna leave them to bottom, and I'm gonna make them to go to the center. I'm gonna want them to be animated in that style. It looks really, really interesting. I'm gonna use the highest font size over here, and now let me show you. I'm gonna click next. Okay, here it's the inline video editor. I can use some different tools here that if I want to erase something, if I want to add a countdown, you see, you can add the countdown over here to when there is a promotion or something like that. You can add a progress bar over here. You see, it's a progress bar, and or if you don't want to bother about that, you can just skip and move on. Just wanted to show you how many other tools you might use. If you want, you can add the music for background. You see here you have a music library you can use. Let me show you. Okay, or you can even upload your own music. I'm not gonna add the music. I'm gonna just leave it like that. I'm gonna see the transcription. I'm gonna click edit transcription here and wait for a moment to have it ready. In fact, the video it's created with AI. The transcription and the subtitles are gonna be added with AI. AI and particularly this platform, it uses AI to recognize the sounds and the voices of the people talking, and tries to create the subtitles. Sometimes the subtitles might be wrong. Okay, it's good to create the transcription and just have a look before you download the video and upload it to your platform, or promote it to any kind of social media. So it's always a good idea to check the transcription. Again, over here, if you're gonna see, when you create the videos and you start a human talking video, you always come here and you create from prompt. Here you give the what you want to create, and you can select anything you want. If you want to have a human, 2D, 3D, photorealistic, other, and here you just select if it's gonna be vintage cinema, highly detailed, and everything. It's over here. It's really, really amazing. Okay, let's wait for a moment here. Okay, we got here ready the transcription. We can see here all the transcription. You see, if you can easily check it and see if there is a mistake or something. And when you're ready, you just click save, and all the subtitles are gonna be adapted to the video, and you're gonna have it ready to go. You just have to give a name to the project. I'm gonna give it let's write video number 2. Okay, I'm gonna click to create a transcript, and it's done. Okay, you see, it's preparing over here. I'm gonna show you this one that it's already done. Here it was made with a human. I asked to create a businesswoman.
Hey there. Imagine creating fact checked.
You see, it's amazing the lip synchronization to this amazing platform, and at the same moment, it really recognizes everything, and it's
SEO
showing
optimized content.
everything perfectly here. You're gonna see in a moment. I'm gonna show you even the result from this video. Just let's give it a moment here. Okay, seems like we have our video ready. Let's see that. A preview here. We're gonna check it right now. And we're gonna
Great.
see.
I feel like I'm drowning at work. No matter how much I do, it's never enough. Everyone else seems so much more capable.
Mia, have you ever noticed how a river never drinks its own water?
What does that mean?
It means the river flows to nourish everything around it. Plants, animals, people. It doesn't stop to compare itself to other rivers.
Yeah.
It just keeps giving.
So, you're saying I should
Okay, I keep uploading, so that's why we have some pausing while the video is playing. I'm gonna upload it right away to YouTube so that anyone can see that. And that's all for the moment. I just wanted to show you what you can easily do using Videoexpress, and then add the subtitles easily with the vid subtitle. Okay, if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna show you even more interesting stuff using these AI tools, and not only AI tools, because if you notice to my channel, I can and I showcase many other things like WordPress plugins, and you know, sometimes platforms that they have special usage, creating videos or content or anything like that. Just keep in touch, and don't forget to like and subscribe. If you want me to review or showcase a particular program or application, feel free to write it to the comments, and I'll get back to you. Thank you very much. See you to the next video. Bye bye.